This video is requested by one of our followers, and the question goes like this. Factor completely. We have given a squared plus b plus a plus ab. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. And now, let's answer this question together. Alright, so our goal here is to factor completely this entire expression, a squared plus b plus a plus ab. Alright, so what we're going to do is to focus on this equation and take note that we have here a squared and a. So why not? Let's rearrange some terms a little bit like this so that we have here a squared and a, both terms of a factor of a, and b plus ab, both terms have a factor of b. Now, what we're going to do is to group them. And let's focus on these groupings. Alright, now in the first group, again, we have a common factor of a. So why not factor out a factor of a? And if we do that, we get a multiplied by a plus 1, because if we distribute a to a, this will give us a squared. And if we factor out a multiplied by 1, we get a value of a. So this is just the same thing, a squared plus a. Now, how about on the second group? Let's factor out the factor of b. And if we do that, we get something like b multiplied by 1 plus 1, because if we distribute this b to 1, this will give us b. And if we distribute this b to a, this will give us ab. Alright, now let's focus on this factor. And one thing to notice here is this a plus 1. A plus 1, and we have 1 plus a. But take note, 1 plus a is the same thing as a plus 1. So we can rearrange some terms a little bit. So to make these two factors the same, technically, totally the same, we have a plus 1 and a plus 1. Now notice we have a common factor. So what we're going to do is to factor the common factor a plus 1. And if we do that, we get a plus b multiplied by a plus 1. Now, notice, if we distribute the whole thing, a plus 1 to a, this will give us a multiplied by a plus 1. And a plus 1 distribute to b, this will give us b multiplied by a plus 1. Therefore, our answer to this question, what is the factored form of this expression, a squared plus b plus a plus ab? Doing this solution, rearrange some terms a little bit, group them together, factor out the common factor of a and common factor of b, and for the last one, factor out the common factor a plus 1, and we end up with a plus b multiplied by a plus 1. So this is our solution to this question. So what is the factored form of a squared plus b plus a plus ab? And the answer is a plus b multiplied by a plus 1. But before that, of course, why not? Let's check our answer if our answer is correct. So to check our answer, what we're going to do is to distribute this a plus b to a and to 1. So if we do that, we get a multiplied by a plus b, and then plus 1 multiplied by a plus b. Next, let's distribute this a to a plus b and distribute this 1 to a plus b. If we do that, we get a times a, we have a squared, a times b, we have ab, 1 times a is a, 1 times b is b. And this is actually the same thing as our original expression from the start. We have a squared, we have ab, we have a, and we have b. And now, sure enough, that our answer is totally correct. So, and as always, we are done.